At maraming salamat sa Viva International Pictures and MVP Entertainment for bringing One Step in this entire park here in the Philippines.
Wala na pong selfie. Wala na selfie. Okay, marathon.
Lahat po ng pictures natin, gamitin ang hashtag sa hashtag One Step with Dara. Alright, One Step with Dara po ang ating hashtag. Matrend natin yan, guys! One Step with Dara.
Since 2004 hanggang ngayon, nandiyan pa rin kayo para sa atin. Parang help and support para sa atin. Dahil sa inyo, I think I shouldn't stop singing and doing more projects. Diba? Dahil sa inyo. May pag-filing ko din. Nandiyan pala ako sa showtime bukas. It's showtime! So, dito, sa taas, sa, ano ba yun? Robinson's movie world for the premiere night. One Step. Viva International Pictures and MVP Entertainment for bringing me here para makita na kayo. Thank you, thank you.
Maraming salamat, Dara.
Thank you, Robinson's Movie World. I really don't know what to say. Thank you.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Maraming salamat, Dara. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At kita tayo bukas sa Pilipinas, Christian, ACI, One Step, my name is William Jordan, who's Spanish, God bless you.
Hi, welcome to Robinson's Movie World Cinema 1. My name is Jada. I'll be your host for the evening. And welcome to the red carpet premiere of One Step. Palakpakan natin ang mga sarili natin. We braved Monday traffic and whatever it is that Monday brings to Manila to come here to view the red carpet premiere of One Step. And this event is presented to you by Robinson's Movie World, Viva International Pictures, MVP Entertainment, and Jam 88.3. Now for the complete schedule of movies and snack bar purchase, you can log on to www.robinsonsmovieworld.com, and for promos and events update, you can follow Robinson's Movie World Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Kanina pa kayo naghihintay? Yes! Sino nandito na ng 5 o'clock? Ako din. Call time ko 5. Alright. 10 a.m. Grabe, ang aga naman. So, sobrang excited na kayo. So, hindi na ako masyadong dadaldal pa. Pero, we would like to say hello and good evening sa mga friends ni Sandara Park na nandito. Let's all welcome Vice Ganda, Spotlight, Ryan Bang, Boy Band PH, palakasan daw ng palakpak, Joros Gamboa, RJ Martinez, and Mix VJ IE Mendoza, Caleb Santos. We have also Chola de la Cruz and Nitro. And of course, kayong lahat, Sandara Park fans, thank you so much. Okay, we are gonna continue with the show and the movie. Basta promise nyo, when this movie opens on May 10 at all Robinson's Movie World branches nationwide, manonood kayo, ha? May 10, 2 days from now. And of course, you know, this premiere, red carpet premiere, won't be complete without one of the most influential, if not the most influential, Korean stars in the Philippines. She is also, you know, the most in demand. Hi! would like to hear a few words from you, Sandara.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Wow, grabe. Thank you so much for coming. At nandito rin yung mga friends ko na invite ko. Thanks for coming. Na mahal ko kayo. Itong one step na ito yung very first step ko sa Korean movie industry. So sana in the future, more projects to come sa Korea and dito rin sa Philippines. So sana supportan niyo ako and enjoy the movie. Thank you. Mahal ko kayo.
Thank you so much, Sandara Park. Okay, she will be watching the movie with us, so you guys please settle down. Settle down muna tayo. Once again, One Step opens May 10 at Robinson's Movie World branches nationwide. Check out robinsonsmovieworld.com and check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay, let's give Sandara a few minutes to get to her
Hello, sir. Thank you for inviting us.
Okay, I think we're about ready to start. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all rise for the Philippine National Anthem.
팀장님이 그 말씀 하시더라. 뭐라고
압축기를 이쪽으로 다시 okay na po ilaw talaga tayo, no?
근데 그렇잖아요. 아 근데 이목구비는 비슷해.
One step closer. Closer. I was singing. One step Hey guys, this is Boy Band PH. Go and watch One Step in cinemas May 10. 안녕하세요.
Thank you.
It was just completely shut out.
ano?
Sabay tayong exit sa kanila.
What size? One by one.
엄마 찍어줄게.
You stay here, that's my angle.
아이. Which one? Which one? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, nice to meet
오빠도
you.
찍을래? 아, nice to meet you.
Hi, what's your name? Are you single?
One, two.
Shadow.
Ay.
Yeah.
One,
Boy
two.
ba to? Yung puso ni ate.
Thank you.
Papuson si ate.
Ayun na.
Sige, matakot tayo.
Hinahanap mo din.
어디 갔지?
사진 찍어주세요.
안녕하세요. 하나, 둘.
He's the most famous Korean in the Philippines after Sandara Park.
됐어. 안녕하세요. 문화원에서 왔어요.
네, 안녕하세요.
이거 사진 맞아요? 비디오인데 지금? 비디오예요. 됐어? 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
Support ha. Kasi dalawa yung
Thank you,
merong
ate.
couple ko.
소원 성취.
Thank you po. Thank you po.